Mom. Oh, wow. You can see me, right? Oh, wow. That's right, homeboy. Y'all been asking the longest for us to make a video on clear ice. We got a stack of it right here, all homemade, okay? You cannot get clear ice by boiling water or using distilled water or using even holy water. That's right. The Pope could bless your water and it's still not gonna come clear when you freeze it. The only way to get clear ice, or I shouldn't say only way, the way that we do it is this thing called directional freezing. It was created by this guy, I met him once actually, called Academics. So that's a Coleman cooler I got on Amazon. I think this was like $12, $13. And what you do is you take off the top. This number one, you take the top off, right? Then what we can do is we can fill it with just regular tap water. Doesn't need to be hot or anything like that, just regular tap water. And once we fill this with water, we can put this in the freezer, okay? Guys, you put your cooler in the freezer for about 24 hours. The beauty of directional freezing is that the cooler insulates the sides so it freezes from the top down, freezing the purest water first. Now you need to remove it before all of the water freezes. So you get a nice clear chunk on top and the impure water at the bottom. And that is how you get your clear ice. So here's the thing, once you take this out of the fridge, you have to let it sit, guys. You do not want to put your hands on it because your body heat can cause the ice to crack, okay? It has to acclimate to room temperature, okay? So it's been sitting here a little while, and I'm just gonna take this and flip this over. Allow it to fall out. Oh, snooky now, okay? Snooky now.
Impressive.
Okay, you see the clearness at the bottom there? So we have a nice thick layer of clear ice.
Are you ready?
Yeah, don't hit it too hard, just a nice gentle crack.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2. You're supposed to stop that.
Okay, all right, I got you. Okay, so now guys, look at what we have left. We have this nice clear block. Like, look at this, you can see me through it. Hey, Mom! Oh, wow, you can see me, right? Oh, wow, okay. So now I want these nice little thin cubes, right? So what we can do, I just need to get a nice little cut in there. Okay, so now what you can do is you can tap this knife and it should break straight down that line. Just a nice gentle tap, tap, tap. Keep going, one more. Fine, now you have this, you see?
Look like it could be a centerpiece.
Go ahead, tap.
See?
Bingo.
Good at what I do. What is this thing? What's happening? Ooh, science.
Okay.
Ooh.
See, check it out.
Ooh.
Cute, right?
It's so pretty. No, that's not. You're gonna melt it with your mouth. Ew.